Chapter 14, Electric Current and its Effects. First of all, let's discuss about electric circuit. This is the path in which electric current flows from a source across various components. That means the pathway through which actually electric current flows. And it will be represented as a circuit diagram. So, a simple circuit diagram is a diagrammatic representation of electric circuit in which we represent all the electric components. यानी जिन जिन चीजों से एक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट बनता है, जहां से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो करती है, we draw it with the help of different symbols. Now, this is what a simple circuit which represents different components. First of all, the very first component of any electric circuit is source of electricity, a single dry cell, or we may use battery also. That means combination of cells. Secondly, electric switch, whether in on or off condition. That means to switch it on or switch it off, we have a switch. Third one, an electrical appliance. Here a bulb is shown. And fourth, that is the connecting wires through which all the components are connected with each other. That means through which electricity flows. Now this is what a simple circuit diagram. We have just learned about electric circuit. Now this is what a circuit diagram. As we all know, this is not convenient to draw all the components again and again. So instead of drawing all the components, we use different symbols for them. And this is what a simple circuit which is showing different components. So various parts, elements that make an electric circuit is called as electric components. Cell, battery, wires, bulb, switch, these are different components for making electric circuit. But to represent all these things, instead of drawing them again and again, instead of using them again and again, for drawing a circuit, we actually use the symbols. यानी हम उन्हें actual draw ना करके हम उनके symbols use करते हैं. Like we have symbols for different purposes. Like danger का sign हम as a symbol use करते हैं. Like restroom के लिए बाहर एक symbol बना होता है. ठीक है? So there are different symbols we use for different purposes. Similarly here, for electric components, we use different symbols. Like the first one, this is a symbol for electric cell, in which two parallel lines are drawn. One is longer than the other. The longer line represents positive terminal, and the shorter line represents negative terminal. Second is electric bulb. This is what the symbol of electric bulb. जिसे हम एक उल्टा W इस तरीके से हम draw करते हैं. This is what a symbol of electric bulb. Now this is very interesting. Switch in off position. Off यानी जब electricity flow नहीं करेगी. So this is what the symbol of a switch in off position. And this is the symbol of a switch in on position. जब आपका electricity flow करती है. Next is the symbol for battery. Battery means अभी हमने discuss किया, that is the combination of two or more cells. So to represent a battery, we also draw symbol of electric cell by 2-3 times. So अगर आप electric cell के ही symbol को 2-3 बार एक साथ draw कर दे, we call it a battery, a symbol for a battery. Now last but not the least, symbol for wire, the connecting wires. We represent it with very simple straight line. So these are the different symbols for different electric components which we use for making electric circuit. This we have just discussed electric cell, which is having a positive terminal and a negative terminal. Electric cell की अभी हमने बात की जिसमें एक positive terminal होता है, एक negative होता है. And we always represent the positive terminal with a longer line and negative terminal with a shorter line. Second is battery. This is what a battery, combination of two or more cells. And just always remember that in a battery, positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of other. हमेशा हम एक की positive terminal को दूसरे की negative terminal से connect करते हैं. Like you must have tried it in your remote cells. आपके TV के remote के या आपके AC के remote के cell देखते हैं, आप एक सीधा एक उल्टा करके लगाते हैं. That is just the connection of one positive with the negative of other cell. That allows passage of electric current, that allows electric current to flow.